What's up, everybody?
Hello.
We got Tim Allen here. We've got the Skyline on the lift. We got Pressure Washer over here doing his thing. Damien's got and Halloween decorations.
Yeah.
How much coolant do you need?
Yeah.
I'll give you $20 to drink it.
No.
Why not?
I'll give you $20 to not ask me that question. I don't have any cash.
Oh, dog, we accept Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, Bitcoin.
$20 in Bitcoin.
Yeah, it'll be like $5 in like 10 minutes. But tomorrow, man, tomorrow's gonna be 35.
And the next day it'll be 25 cents.
Man, I wish I would have been.
No, you don't. Shut up.
There was one time
You wish you would have been smart? I wish you would have been smart too.
The guy I worked with
Nuh-uh.
dumped like
Nuh-uh.
right before it fucking took off, and he made like $150,000 and bought a fucking house.
You can buy a house for $150,000, Damien. You stupid.
Yeah, you can. Well, because 2 years ago, and that's when this happened.
So we got the 34 off the lift. We went ahead and put a pilot bushing in it. It drives a little bit better. It's not terrible. Third gear is like crunchy. It's like a Crunchwrap Supreme. So since that failed, I'm gonna go ahead and get some I'm gonna get some Smurf blood and see if we can some heavyweight shockproof, bro.
Shock oil?
Yeah. That's what I run on the Zafiro to make it not so crunchy. And to help
Just
alleviate...
put some Lucas stop slip in there.
I'm like, no. If you guys like what we're doing, just be sure to hit that like, subscribe, all that fancy mumbo jumbo. I know it's in the middle of the video, but still. Like, subscribe if you like what we're doing. If not, still say what we're doing wrong. We like, we like constructive criticism, don't we, Koshi?
It builds character.
It builds character. And we like to build race cars. So it goes hand in hand. So hit that like button. So we're probably going to go ahead, I'm going to go ahead and knock out the rest of the welding on the trunk before I have to go run into work today. And you always need another daily for your daily. And then another daily for the daily. Welds aren't the prettiest, and I hate doing sheet metal work, but it's getting there. Gotta clean this thing out at some point to start. God damn you ugly.
Do places to be.
You don't have any kids?
I left mine on the bed this morning.
I flushed mine on the toilet.
Ew. Well, we got a lot done today with, the R34, the MR2, which is, it's getting there. Slowly but surely, but we're getting there. Got the tail lights out, cell panels out, the rear garnish. Starting to work on getting the interior removed. Getting everything ready for painting the bay. Got a lot to remove out of here. I'll probably throw it on the lift tomorrow. Get the rest of the way cleaned out. I'll start taking and grinding everything up and verifying everything's got welded clean through. There's a bunch of patching that needs to be done still from where the guy like cut the holes for the intercooler and kind of just like wallered everything out. But yeah, so far so good. Koshi's working on the Mustang. This will be wet sanded and polished tomorrow. I think Saturday or I think Sunday I'm gonna go pick up the fender for this MR2 and along with a 2J for another project. But we tried pulling it. It's so bad. I mean, I thought about just taking it like cleaning it all up, but worst case, we'll get it fixed. We'll resell it to help recoup some money for Jeremy's bill. Kind of help him out a little bit. But it's not the end of the world. We actually found a hole there. But there's a ton of Bondo on this thing. But if you guys can guess the color it's getting painted, you will get a Skidbillies t-shirt. And yeah, just let us know what you think the color's going to be. It could be anything. I will say it will be a two-tone color because two-tones are cool. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think we're gonna paint it. But that's all for today. You guys have a good, safe afternoon, whatever, night. Probably be uploaded tomorrow. So I don't know if Coach is gonna be here tomorrow. Maybe.
Probably not.
Probably not. But just look at that view. Two beautiful sedans. But anything you got to say, Koshi?
Well, no.
I mean, you got it. You guys be safe. Have fun. Peace.